Hello everyone, this is Sunil. If your laptop fan making noise or not spinning properly, it may have too much dust in it or it may get faulty. So guys, in this case, I'm gonna show you guys that this is the fan. I removed that one, disassembled. This is the actual laptop. I disassembled everything. I removed this one. This is the fan, and this fan is not serviceable. So see, if you open this one, it will break. You can see this one. It is, you can't service this one and put it back. If it is gone, it's gone. You need to buy new one and put it there. So in my case, what happened is it was not dust, it was fan problem. See, the fan was wobbling like this, so what happened is it is wobbled too much and it erosion. See, it eroded the heat sink, so it was not spinning properly. It got getting stuck and making noise and all. So cooling will affect. That means laptop will get overheated and you will damage your laptop. So you don't want that once, right? It will cost you like around 450 to 500 Indian rupees. Full as this assembly. Okay, this assembly, not including not heatsink, just this assembly, and you can put it put that one. If you can't put that one, just go to the service center. They will do it for like 800, 1000, 1500, like that. Within that, depend upon the model, they will do that one. So guys, if you have any questions, you can ask in comment section. If you like this video, you can subscribe. Not in all case you need to replace the fan. Sometime it dust will be covered. You just need to blow air from this side or this side, it will go out, or from the top also. In some case you need to replace the fan, depend upon that one. So better go to service center and get professional advice. So guys, that's all from this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.